Here we have Polkadot, symbol DOT versus the dollar. And we have another chart here that is obviously not, well, playing around with the rest of the market or the majors right now. This one actually looking pretty damn good. Putting in it's not even a bear trap in this region right here, but we did fulfill our condition for continuation above 29.80. And that was a signal to retarget the prior highs of this run at about 35, 36 bucks. We already have hit that. And now we're back again, playing out the golden cross right there. And I don't really have anything bearish to say about this chart, especially as long as you're above 30 bucks now. So I do think that it could range a bit here. Then again, I go down to the short-term time frames like a 4-hour, and no, I think this one's actually trending right now. If anything, let's go check out momentum oscillator and see if they agree with that, and let's see where those pivots are. But this chart, kind of like the prior one that we looked at, pretty damn good actually, for what it's worth. We do see 12-hour momentum oscillators made to the upside as long as above 31.25. Good. Daily upside as long as above about 29.10. 4-hour up as long as we're above 37, which we're actually below right now. So yeah, basically what that is saying is that short-term timeframes, if we fail to continue exactly from this region right here, you should expect a bit of a correction, probably down to low $30 region, like 31 to 32 bucks. I'd be looking for a bounce there. Again, do not confuse that with being bearish on it. If this thing came back down to like 27.70, that would be a major opportunity in my mind. I have nothing bearish to say about it as long as it's below, as long as it's above about 30 bucks. So especially, however, on a daily closing basis. So a wick down around there would actually look really, 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 really good to me. Of course, it's not financial advice in this case, but hidden bullish evidence on daily RSI, daily BBWP is starting to expand. I want to see it get above that moving average, though. It's not necessarily there just yet. And now look really, really good for continuation call all the way up to basically, mid 40s, probably just goes for 50 at that point. I imagine we'd also have something relatively similar over here. I want to take a more conservative route on this one, and yeah, it would be right around about 50 bucks actually, if that does play out. But for right now, I expect that this one goes into a bit of a short-term sideways consolidation. And then you see continuation maybe later this week or next week. Overall, one of the more interesting charts that we have seen today, and again, does kind of keep the Bula hopes alive for Bitcoin as well. So hopefully that was helpful, and there you go, sir.